Take it, then full shot you take it. Here also, here you cannot take one and all. Just 4 5 together, 4 5 together, and finish it off. And after that, don't keep it inside each of you. Hold one.